slipping from behind. OG, Bobby.
Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Luvmehair, and they sent me this pre-curled ginger colored wig. But before I show you the wig, let me just show you guys what came inside the package. So like always, the purple box. They sent me, okay, so confession, this wig was from Christmas, so I have like Christmas stickers and stuff inside of it. Anywho, they sent me this little pouch like they always do, and inside the pouch is a okay, so I got a lash with spoolie, then I got some clip, then some earrings. I don't really wear silver, but if you do. So this is the wig. This is how it came, curled and everything, which I'm super happy about. The last time I got a wig from them that was curled like this, baby, slapped on my head in less than 20 minutes, literally, because I didn't have to curl it. I don't think I'm gonna pluck this hair either, like literally straight out the box, and then I'm just slapping it on my head. I'm actually gonna put some, I'm gonna hot comb it to see how it looks. If it looks crazy, then I might hot comb it. No, I might pluck it a little bit. If not, I'm gonna leave it as it is. But this is the wig. This is how it came, and I'm living for it. This is the inside. It's a 5x5 closure, actually. Transparent lace, comes with all the combs inside, and the lace, not the lace, the material that they used to make this wig was very thin, as you can see, like it's meshed, and I like that because your hair could breathe under your wigs. And they also gave you a strap for extra security, and yeah, I feel like this wig was well constructed. Now I'm going to pretty much go in and figure out if I want to pluck this wig or if I just want to just install as is. Throughout the video you guys will see what I end up doing, but for now let's just jump right into the installation of this wig.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming in the rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face, send action. ain't no Kumaye. Niggas be past tense. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Ain't it pretty mixed up? This life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna live, how you wanna spit, what you wanna be, who you wanna be. And I'm stunning till I get peace. You can do what you wanna live, how you wanna spit, what you wanna be, who you wanna be. And I'm stunning till I get peace.
Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I would like to thank Luvmehair for sponsoring this video. The links to the wig will be down in the description box, so if you guys would like to purchase it, do not forget to check out the links down below. But until next time, Bye.